Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get tons of keys. Right now I have 1,330 because I've been spending them all on things. I use these keys and I use this date to get... Sorry. But I do this because I used the 700 key glitch. I got Spike, I got Rin, I got Prince K, which is very expensive, and I got Utani. I also got one board, which is, where is it? Which is the Wing Glider, and today I'm going to show you how to get these things. So first of all, you need to go to your home screen. Go to settings and go to system. If you have an iPhone or an Apple product, it's called general, but mine is system. Then you want to go to date and time and turn off automatic date and time. Then go here and turn your date to 2019, November 18th. Now you just want to go back to Subway Surfers and let it load. Also guys, if you don't have Prince K, go to this date and it will give you Prince K for 10 tokens. And then for the Wing Glider, it's 12 tokens. But I used that to get Prince K in the Wing Glider board, so I didn't have to spend any money. But after you do that, and you go back, you can do this. I hope this doesn't take away my token progress because I had 70 something tokens on the other thing. So if this takes away my token progress, I will be so mad. It says welcome to Barcelona. Then you get 4 for 31 keys and 8, you see. And you can get Prince K. That's it for now. Comment down below if you want any other glitches to get more stuff. Bye. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. All of my tokens were missing. I had over 70. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. I had over 70 tokens. No. What? Oh my god. I'm all the way down here again. No. I was trying to get that character and now it's all gone.